Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a video that I've been meaning to do for a long time. The weather has been terrible. My Jeep hasn't been washed in 6 months. I mean, it is terrible. The tires are terrible. Anyway, I had Super Clean to reach out to me and ask me about their products. I said, I already use your products. And they said, we want to send you some free samples since you like our products. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is cleaning this old dirty nasty Jeep with these Super Clean products here that Super Clean was kind enough to sponsor this video. It's been a while, I'll apologize for that, but we're going to get it done today. Let's get to it. I apologize for all the wind, guys, but it's just a windy day. The weather still is not good. I've already felt some raindrops, but right here these tires are just completely filthy. You can see back up in the bumper here that it is completely dirty up in there, mud clods. And I'm going to use these Super Clean products. I'm going to start with the wheels and just do a rinse on those with the Super Clean products and see how much they'll just get off without any scrubbing. So the first product I'm just going to use is a straight up Super Clean degreaser. I'm going to spray this on the mud on the tread of the tires. And I'm going to spray it on the rubber on the sidewalls. I'm also going to spray it back up in the back of that bumper there. You can see it's already eating the dirt and grime off the sidewall of the wheels. Alright, that is set for just a minute, so I'm going to hit it now. Back my camera up, I don't want to get any on it. So that right there is why I'm a fan of Super Clean. It just cleans all the crap off and just gets it down to the black tire. The sidewalls are good and clean. Let me do the other tires. I'm going to also do up under the fender wells because those are nasty as well. And I just love the Super Clean products. Right here, the next product that they gave me is a Super Clean all wheel cleaner. I'm going to spray this on my aluminum painted wheels. That's going to eat away any brake dust that's on there. Alright, I'm going to go do the other side now, and by the time I get back these should be pretty dry. There was no rubbing or anything on these, so we'll see how well it cleaned them without any rubbing. Well, I have to say the wheel and tires are drying off nicely, and they are black as black, ready to receive my tire dressing. And I'm fixing to wash the entire Jeep now, but before I do, I'm fixing to raise the hood and I'm going to clean the engine bay. So you can see my engine bay is pretty cruddy. It's really dusty, and it's got some, this is power steering reservoir fluid that's on the outside of it. It's just really nasty. I'm going to be using this Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner and Degreaser. I've never used it before, but I believe it's a foaming spray. I'm just going to spray it over my engine right there. I'm going to see if it'll clean all this plastic off. If I get any on the paint, I'm going to try to get it off relatively quickly. And I'm going to see what this right here does. And the only thing I'm really going to watch out for is I'm not going to spray my fuse box very much or my alternator. I'm not even going to dry it off. I'm going to close the hood and get to washing the rest of the vehicle now. All right, here we go. Wash job complete. I think it turned out pretty good. Well guys, I got the Jeep cleaned. I even put tire shine on the tires. Got them looking good. It had been a really long time since I had cleaned this Jeep up, so I just wanted to kind of take it to the next level. I could still use a little polishing job on the paint. The paint has been neglected for a long time now, and I need to go back over it again. I want to thank Super Clean for sponsoring this video. They give me 3 excellent products that help take a tough job and make it much easier today. I normally buy my Super Clean product in a gallon jug, and I pour out of that gallon jug into the spray bottle. The spray bottle is what they gave me today, and it worked very good. And now, since I have that spray bottle, I'll buy me another gallon of Super Clean, and I'll just continue to fill that bottle up. I thank y'all for stopping by and watching today. Thank you for coming by every time I put a video up. It means a lot, and my channel would be nothing without my subscribers. And if you're watching this video and you hadn't subscribed, I wish you would consider subscribing. Most of my viewers are not subscribed. That's just a fact across YouTube, across most channels. So if you would consider hitting that subscribe button, that would mean a lot. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. I'll see y'all next time.